This Loan Plus 3 loan management software training video will demonstrate how to enter a loan application in LP3. This is a two-step process. First, click on Create Account. This will navigate you to the new customer application. The left top section of the screen is used for credit bureau pulls and will be discussed in the credit bureau training. The available credit bureaus are Experian, TransUnion, Equifax, and Teletrack and their additional settings. Your specific company configured bureau will be used to pull the credit report. Complete the fields marked in red. These are the minimum required items to pull a credit report. This includes first name, last name, marital status, social security, birth date, street number, street name, city, state, zip, and country. After completing these minimum fields, you can save the application. Please note that the application data is not saved until you click the Save button. It is advisable to save the application frequently to prevent data loss. Loan application options include the requested loan amount, application type, in-store, mail, phone, and source. Where did the loan customer come from, like advertisement, referral, online? Additional information and the loan purpose can also be specified. The loan type will typically be an installment loan. App created, app updated. You can also upload additional documents if needed. Primary applicant, enter the applicant's title, first name, middle name, last name, marital status, maiden name, social security number, birth date, driver's license, state issued, second account number and dependents, contact information, enter the applicant's home phone, cell phone, work phone, personal email, and work email. Bank information, provide the bank name, bank phone, routing number, account type, like checking or savings, and account ownership like single or joint. Co-signer information, if applicable, enter the co-signer's name, first, middle, last, social security number, birth date, driver's license, and phone number. Current address, enter the applicant's street number, street name, city, state, zip code, country, months, or years, lived at the address, do they rent or own, who is the landlord, and landlord information. Continuing down the application, next is the previous address information if the applicant has not resided at their current address for a sufficient length of time. Employer information, position, company name, address, city, state, zip, phone, employment length in years and months, status of employment like full-time or part-time, net salary, payment frequency like weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, payment method of check or cash, previous employer. If the applicant has not been at their current place of work for long enough, then previous employment information can be collected. Cosigner, employer. If there is a cosigner, provide cosigner employer details. Other income, any additional income amount, payment frequency, payment method, and source of income. Auto information, if the loan is secured by automobile, you can log the make, year, color, license, lien holder, balance and payments. Income and expense totals. Enter the following monthly expenses if they apply to the applicant, like monthly rent, tuition, insurance, alimony, total income net, medical or drug expenses, food, clothing, car, electricity, gas, water, telephone, cable, miscellaneous, any reported loans, any loans not reported, expense income ratio, and total expenses will calculate. This feature helps assess the applicant's ability to repay the loan. References, name, relation, phone number, and address. Miscellaneous information such as whether they are a previous customer, payroll garnishments, FICO score, and number of previous active loans. Once again, it is advisable to save the application frequently to prevent data loss. Once the application is complete, additional options include pull report from the credit bureau, view report for already pulled credit bureau reports, add comments, print application, save, and exit, creating the ECOA Equal Credit Opportunity Act. Notice for credit denial. Create account will create a new loan from the application. Create account by email will allow a loan to be created and sent to the applicant's email address for additional processing. Clear will clear all data in the application. Exit will exit the application. And if you have not saved the application, you will lose any unsaved data. Help will open help documentation for this section. Other ways to access loan applications. If you have previously created and saved an application and then exited, you can locate it by navigating to credit/app and then app search. You can search by start and end date or social security number. If a credit bureau report has been pulled for the customer, it will be accessible here with View Print. Customer name, report type, result and credit bureau used to pull the report will be viewable. You will also have the option to make loan from a previously created application. If this option is grayed out, it indicates that the loan has already been created or a decision was made not to proceed with the loan. An ECOA credit denial letter was created. If the loan was created, you can select the View Loan to see the loan account record information. The user that created the application, when it was last updated, when it was created, and its status will be shown. This concludes the process of taking an application in LP3. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson.